On the afternoon of June 24, 2022, heavy rain accompanies hail strikes Ningbo, Zhejiang. According to the Ningbo Meteorological Department, hail about 3 centimeters in diameter has occurred in Haishu District, Jiangbei District, Yinzhou District, and other places in Ningbo. In addition, several areas in the city were also hit by strong winds. Orange warnings for hail and winds were issued by local authorities. The video and photos posted on the social media showed that the rainstorm was mixed with hail, overwhelming the sky, and the hail cracked on the car glass.
不知道是谁家的特斯拉啊，下个雹子后玻璃给砸。特斯拉好可怜，车窗被砸穿了。
A large amount of hail once turned the ground white, but it quickly melted because of the high temperature. The hailstone also caused damage to crops in the area. There are also many citizens taking pictures with hailstones in their hands. The hailstones in their palms are as big as eggs. Ningbo netizens are surprised by the hail, which is unusual in June. The extreme weather is expected to last a few more days and could potentially bring more devastation to the area.